Good morning children. Welcome to your GK class. Now today we will study about aquatic flowers. Aquatic plants bear flowers and today they are becoming more and more popular. These plants live in water. Identify aquatic flowers with the help of pictures and write their names. Aquatic plants bear flowers and today they are becoming more and more popular. They live in water. We have to identify the flowers, okay, with the help of pictures. Dash, first one is provide food for fish and wildlife but sometimes cause drainage problems because of their rapid growth. They bear blossoms that last for a long period of time and also give shade on the pond. Now these flowers provide food for fish and wildlife, but sometimes they cause drainage problem because they have the rapid growth. They bear blossoms for the long period of time and also give shade on the pond. The answer is water lilies. First answer is water lilies. Means ये बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में होते हैं और ये ज़्यादा समय तक के लिए खिलते हैं, ठीक है, और इतनी ज़्यादा मात्रा में होते हैं कि कभी कभी ड्रेनेज प्रॉब्लम भी क्रिएट कर देते हैं और ये पॉन्ड को शेड देते हैं, मीन्स छाया देते हैं. सेकेंड इज आर स्मॉल येलो एक्वेटिक फ्लावर्स विद ब्राइट ग्रीन लीव्स. दे ग्रो ड्यूरिंग लेट स्प्रिंग्स एंड समर टाइम. देयर obstructive size make them an ideal partner for lilies. Now these plants are the partner for lilies because their size is very obstructive, means not attracting, okay, and they are yellow aquatic flowers but they have green leaves. They grow during late springs and summertime. The answer is water poppy. Second answer is water P-O-P-P-Y, poppy. Are white fragrant flowers with a black center and have bright green leaves and they bloom for the rest of the year. These flowers bloom for the rest of the year. They are wild flowers, fragrant flowers, means they give fragrance also, and they have bright green leaves. The answer is water hawthorns. W-A-T-E-R, water, H-A-W-T-H-O-R-N-S. Fourth is a floating plant that looks great in any pond with fish living in it. It gives the fish shelter and food. Now these plants give fish shelter and food. Answer is duckweed. Fourth answer is duckweed. D-U-C-K-W-E-E-D. Dash resembles a head of lettuce but is not suitable in a cold climate. These are not suitable in cold climate, okay. Answer is water lettuce because they resemble the head of lettuce. Can grow as tall as 3 feet and bears purple, white or dark red blossoms in November and December. These flowers need lots of sunlight to survive. They are 3 feet and bear purple, white or dark red blossoms in November and December, and they need lot of sunlight to survive. The answer is Japanese iris. Japanese has heart-shaped leaves with pleasant creamy white flowers in the summertime. It requires lot of sunlight. Answer is lizard's tail. Lizard's tail. Grows quickly and displays attractive small white flowers. It needs sunlight to stay healthy. It is edible and a popular healthy ingredient used in salad. Answer is watercress. It is also used in salad and is edible. W-A-T-E-R, water. CRESS, cress, watercress, is a water plant growing in the mud of shallow ponds, lagoons, marshes and flooded fields. It is native to the parts of Middle East, Asia, Australia and New Guinea. Answer is lotus. It grows in mud of shallow ponds, lagoons, marshes and flooded fields. And the answer is lotus. Okay. Now coming to next chapter, that is chapter 8, symbolic plants and birds. Children, chapter 7, born to roar is omitted. Okay. Now coming to chapter 8. Symbolic plants and birds. We will study about plants and birds. Since ancient times, many plants and animals have been considered as symbols. Now these plants and animals are considered as symbols. Okay, either good symbol or bad symbol. Now we will study about these animals and plants. Across, first we will study about across. Okay, you have to fill it here in across and down puzzle. These birds are considered sacred by the natives of America. These birds are considered sacred by the natives of America. Answer is eagle. Across, first is EAGLE. Third, the leaf of this tree is the national emblem of Canada. Now the leaf of this tree is national emblem of Canada. Answer is maple. MAPLE. Sorry, we will write it in capital letter. Eagles. Fifth, these birds are considered symbols of good luck. Now these birds are considered symbols of good luck. Answer is storks. STORKS. 7. These birds are a symbol of love and peace. And you know the answer, I think. Answer is doves. DOVES. Okay. First one. Now this is third one. Now this is, I think, fifth one. Then seventh. 9. This tree is sacred to the Buddhist. And answer is people. 9. PEEPAL. This is the national flower of India and you all know, I think, it is lotus. LOTUS, lotus. Now down puzzle. The branch of this tree is considered to be a symbol of peace. Symbol of peace. The branch of this tree is considered as symbol of peace. Answer is olive. Now down puzzle. Second one, answer is olive. Fourth, these birds are said to predict diseases and death. Predict means वे भविष्यवाणी करते हैं कि अभी उसकी डेथ होने वाली है या उसको बीमारी होने वाली है. एंड द आंसर इज रेवन्स. फोर्थ, RAVENS. In ancient Rome, the hooting of these birds were deemed as a warning of death. The answer is owls. OWLS. Hooting of these birds were deemed as a warning of death. Owls. 8. These birds found mainly in Asia are adored symbols of long life. Now these birds are the symbols of long life. Cranes. Answer is CRANES. Cranes. Okay children, now this much for today's class. Okay, till then stay safe, stay at home. You have to write all these things, all these exercises in your GK book. Okay, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.